HIMS stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at HIMS and HERS health, yeah, this week was not the best. I mean, I want to say they was, but on paper we were 16% down. Nothing unusual here. I've done 38,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. Then have all the proof to back it up. Like no one else on YouTube, right? Like it's all there. And with HIMS, I mean, bottom line, you know, bedrock, it is a demand area that we're tapping into right now. And if there's a shift, then I'll be willing to start buying. Now, people are overcomplicating this. Not only can this be like a swing opportunity, and then I can have like a swing kind of longer term time frame if the rules are met, and also like if I see that shift, intraday trades are gonna be cooking towards the upside as well. But right now we're in this big no man's land, so I'm like really just waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce.